find the solution set for the system of linear inequalities. To find the solution set, we first need to graph each line. So we're going to look at the first line, 5x minus 3y equals 15. By letting x equal 0, we can see that our y-intercept is negative 5. And by letting y equal 0, we can see that our x-intercept is 3. So we're going to graph this line by plotting the points 3, 0 and 0, negative 5. Since we have a greater than or equal to, we'll use a solid line. Now we're going to test to see whether this inequality is true above or below the line. So if I use the test point 0, 0, which is not on the line, into this inequality, I get 5 times 0 minus 3 times 0 greater than or equal to 15. 0 greater than or equal to 15 is false. That means that we're looking for now below this line in this region here. I'm just going to mark that with a T for true for now, because we also have to graph the other inequality. So let's look at the other inequality. So first of all, we'll start with that line, 3x minus 8y equals 12. If we let x equal 0, we see that y is equal to 12 over negative 8, which is the same as 3 over negative 2, or negative 3 halves. If we let y equal 0, we get 3x equals 12, so x is equal to 4. So I'm going to use a different color to graph this line. If we have a greater than or equal to, we'll use a solid line again. So we have 4, 0, and we have 0, negative 3 halves. Negative 3 halves is about negative 1.5. And so we'll graph the line through these 2 points here. All right, now we'll also test the point 0, 0 in this line. So 3 times 0 minus 8 times 0 greater than or equal to 12. 0 greater than or equal to 12 is false. Okay, so that means that this point is no good. So we're also below this red line. Okay, so we're looking below the red line. So now the intersection will be the solution. So we have to be below this red line here, but also below this black line. So the region that is below both the red line and the black line is this region here. So the solution to the system will shade this region.